Hey everyone, it's Miss B here, and I want to give you a tutorial on our class website. So this is what it looks like. I'm on instructor view and I will show you student view right after I am done going over all the sections. If you're new to Canvas and all of this looks unfamiliar to you, well, don't worry. I have a step-by-step approach to my instruction. I like to divide up my weeks. So if you look on the top here, I have a module-based page. So I have everything that I would like you to access for week 1. And I put all of my files here and all of the assignments here, all of the links. So I have it all here so that if my links and my announcements aren't working, you can always go to the home page and look under whatever week we're on, and then look underneath and you should find the file that you're looking for. So there's going to be different ways that you can access these files. Now you're probably looking and thinking to yourself, this is a whole lot of stuff. Well, it's basically everything that I'm using for week 1, and I'm just making it available for you so that you can access it and you can look through it and you can download it. So this is how the page is organized. Let me show you some of the most important parts that you need to watch out for as the semester progresses. Now, the announcements are going to be at the top. My 3 most recent announcements will be at the top here. So if you're looking for an older announcement, you should definitely click on the announcements page, the announcements icon here, and it'll take you to every single announcement I sent the class. As a student, you don't have access to everything here, but you do have access to the people section, and let me just show you really quickly, just so it's so much more organized as in the student view. You have access to your grades. So when I click on the grade section, I will be able to see all of the assignments that are available. I will be able to see my score and then the total points that it's out of. And then I will also be able to see how that weighs in, because there is going to be for each major assignment a different weight group, and you can look at the weight groups here. So a lot of students ask me, is my grade accurate on Canvas? Yes, it's totally accurate. All you have to do is click on the grades section and you can find out what your current grade is at any point throughout the semester. You can also click on the people section and you'll get just, a whole bunch of people in our class. You can message them if you want, which is nice, I'm here too. And then for the syllabus section, I haven't put it up yet. I'll put a quick link to our syllabus up here. But then the syllabus on Canvas is actually a breakdown of all of the assignments that are given throughout the semester. So if you notice for week 1, we have 3 assignments available. And then as the weeks progress, this list will get more and more and longer. Our modules section is our home page. That's what I set it up to be. And then just to show you, this is our chat section. Now, I can click on new message alerts, and then of course, whoever messages me in the chat room, I'll be able to see. This is how I will be holding office hours. So basically, during my office hours, which will be, what are my office hours? Mondays and Wednesdays from 12 to 1:30, I'll be here and I'll have my chat open. And of course, you guys are free to come, and the box is being blocked here, but you'll be able to see it's right here. So see, you could message me, hi, whatever you want, and there you go. Test student said hi. And just to show you, it's really easy, but it is like public. So whatever you message me, the rest of the class will be able to see. But it's nice, like the whole class can I don't know, create a chat. Maybe come on during office hours and we all can chat with each other, which is great. Now you do have access to our library page through here, and then a few other services that I just kept open in case you guys might need it, such as the student services link. Now I'm going to go to the home page and just quickly explain what some of these icons are. Let me leave student views, which is not as easy to access. So here we go. The little paperclip icon represents all of the files that I uploaded to the website. So I have quite a few files. If you look, I have the welcome letter, which you should have already received. I have the syllabus, which you should download and of course look over. I have a study guide for you guys, which will help for your final exam. I have my PowerPoints. Now, a lot of teachers don't share their PowerPoints, they keep it to themselves, but I want to share mine because I feel like my PowerPoints might help you guys study. So here's one PowerPoint, which is my introductory PowerPoint. This is the lecture that goes with it. And then here is my other PowerPoint, which is the beginning of the fiction unit and that my lecture that goes with that one. I also have a few other files here, 2 plot charts I uploaded for you guys, which is going to be connected to the discussion right here. So you're going to have to download one of these files in the discussion. And if you're confused because you're like, oh my gosh, everything's just listed and it's not organized, do not worry. I have everything organized for you. I will be sending you a day-by-day breakdown agenda. So you will be getting an announcement from me as when school starts, and it'll just have like a breakdown of what I want you to do for that week. And all of this stuff will be neatly organized in certain days and then have more explanation of what I would like you guys to complete. I tried to also make it clear for you by indenting whatever assignment is due that week. So I indented our check-in activity, which is a requirement for the course, for DE courses. I indented one quiz that we'll be taking, and I also indented one discussion that we'll be doing. So you can also see the points and the due date right underneath. It's so easy to access, you guys. I do want to show you also when you go on student view, it's really cool. Canvas has a feature that gives you a to-do list. So as a sample student, I still have not completed these things. As soon as I'm ready to complete it, it'll leave my to-do list. And as soon as, let's say I submit this quiz, it will no longer be in my to-do list. So it's really easy. Like you can, of course, follow my agenda, but the to-do list will also remind you of the assignments that are due. What else should I review? These are the links that I have. It looks like a little square paperclip. And then the assignments that has, paper with a pencil on it, those are actual assignments. They might be reading responses. Our essays will have this icon too. Some assignments are going to be point value if they're just in class work. And then, of course, our major assignments, like our essays, will be a percentage value. And also the little rocket ship, every time you see that, just know that that's a quiz. And right here, the dialog box is a discussion. So every time you see a little dialog box like that, just know that you will be interacting with your classmates. And that's our class website. I mean, it's easy, right? It's pretty easy to navigate. It's pretty cool to use. I think you guys will enjoy it, and I do not think that most of you will not be confused navigating through this. But you guys, if you do have questions about it, do not hesitate to contact me. I'm not a Canvas expert, but I've been using it for a few years already, so I might be able to help you. So feel free to reach out. And once again, welcome to the class and welcome to the fall semester.